Molybdenum manufactures high-performance tungsten and molybdenum fasteners that are used in many demanding applications. Our high-quality hex nuts and threaded rod providing outstanding performance in high-temperature and corrosive applications. Our molybdenum screws, formed wire hangers, rivets and pins play a critical role in refractory metal assemblies used in high-temperature furnace, glass melting equipment. As molybdenum bolt supplier, our products have sold to Korea, Japan, Germany,